Hi guys, you're welcome to the Love Beauty channel, and in today's video I'll be making a facial cleanser. This facial cleanser is very good and is very effective and cheap too. So before I start, I would ask that if you've not subscribed to my channel, please press the red subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking to my channel. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time of seeing my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? So in today's video, I'll be making a facial cleanser. And these are the ingredients. You just need few ingredients to make this facial cleanser. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Please bring out your time to watch this video to the end, okay? Because I'm not going to take much of your time. As you can see here, these are the ingredients I will be needing to make this facial cleanser. So if you are interested to know, watch this video to the end. So guys, let's get started. So here I have Dermalis cleanser. So I'm going to be using all of them. As you can see, it's so little, so I'll be using all of them. So this Dermalis cleanser, it's a very good toner. You can use it alone if you want, or you can, if it's too harsh on your skin, you can dilute it with rose water. Okay, I've used this Dermalis cleanser and I love it. Just that the cleanser is too harsh on my skin, so whenever I want to use it, I dilute it with rose water. This cleanser is very good. It's made with carrot extract, salicylic acid, benzoic acid. For salicylic acid, if you have acne, this cleanser is going to get rid of your acne. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in my container. So this is 1 cup of this cleanser. This is 1 cup. So here is rose water. Here is rose water. So I'm going to add little rose water to this Dermalis cleanser because I don't want it to be too inactive. So I used half cup of rose water to mix my Dermalis cleanser. Like I said, you can use this cleanser alone if you want. Now here is Santad lotion. This lotion is very good in whitening. It's going to whiten your face. This lotion is very good. This also have the hands and feet. So when you are getting this Santad lotion, check to know whether it's for face or for your feet. But this Santad now, this one is for face, so I'll be using it. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this. I'm not going to use half cup, just 1 tablespoon. Okay guys, I'm done adding all the ingredients. So the next step is for you to stir it properly. You take your time and stir it properly. Now after you're done stirring it properly, you have to package it in your container. So guys, I'm going to stop here for today. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Press the like button below this video. You are going to see it. You press the like button. Pressing the like button is going to help this video to rank more. So guys, please do it for me, okay? And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press the red subscribe button and you press the notify bell beside it, so that anytime I post a new video, you are going to get notified. And please, if you have any question concerning this video, or you have anything you want to ask me, please don't come to my DM. Okay, unless you want to buy a product from me or you want to buy an ebook or anything from me, just drop your question in the comment section. I'm going to reply. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing how to make a glow oil. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe now, so you will not miss anything I'm going to post on this channel. Bye.